What's up guys, my name is Mair. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are making garlic fries. So we are using buttermilk potatoes, and my potatoes, they are growing another potato right on top of it. Anyway, we will cut those. First of all, we will peel these guys. So I have 3 potatoes right here. The first thing we will do, we will peel the potatoes. So get a normal peeler. By normal, I mean you can get any kind of a peeler. So, well, this was growing right on top of the potatoes. I guess these are the roots, right? So anyway, peel the potatoes. How you guys normally peel the potatoes? Or most of the people, they like the potatoes with the skin. Okay, so the big guy, here you go. So there are many kind of potatoes: red potatoes, yellow potatoes. I have seen white potatoes, baby potatoes. What other kind of potatoes have you guys seen? You can comment down below and tell me. So the potatoes are peeled. I have washed them. So now guys, we will slice the potato right from the middle. Once you slice from the middle, you'll put the potatoes face down. Easy way to make another slice in the middle here, and then one slice goes here and the other slice goes here. So this is the quarter side of the potato into 3 slices. We will repeat the same thing here. And between, we are baking these potatoes, so for the bake, a little thickness is okay. So you slice right here, one slice here, another slice here. So our potatoes are sliced perfectly. For now, we will put it in the second bowl and we will season these guys now. So the first thing we will add here is table salt. We will take some salt. If you are making 3 potatoes, as the way I'm showing it to you, you will have to add half tablespoon of salt in there. Take some garlic powder. I would say a whole tablespoon of garlic powder right in there, as they are garlic potatoes though. Half tablespoon of black pepper crushed, or you can use the powder, that doesn't matter. It will still give the same flavor and texture to it. And here, friends, we will add some all-purpose flour. I would say 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour in there. I'm adding the cayenne pepper. You can use regular red chili powder, but I'm using the cayenne pepper. It's a half tablespoon. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil right in here. So we are not frying these fries. So all the ingredients are right in here. We will use our hand and we will just mix everything up. Just roughly, just make sure all the ingredients touches the fries. All the fries are evenly mixed. So check it out guys, potatoes are seasoned fully. We will take a rack and we will drop all our potatoes on the rack, just like that. So here we will just spread the potatoes apart so they get evenly heat from the oven. It has the garlic, it has the cayenne pepper, it has the salt, it has the all-purpose flour, it has the olive oil. So what do you guys think about the air frying? If you guys like the air frying, I'll make some videos coming ahead on the air fryer. So here you go, all the potatoes are on the rack. So for now friends, we will bake these potatoes at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes our garlic potatoes will be ready, and we will make a sauce, a dipping sauce with it. So check this out guys, this is after 15 minutes. Our garlic coated fries are perfectly ready. So for now we will just put them right on the side and we will work on our sauce. So for the sauce I will take some sriracha sauce. We'll add some sriracha right here, and we will add some mayo right in here. Okay, that's enough. Wow, it's hot. We will take a chip and we will mix everything up perfectly. It's just a rough mix. Wow, it's so super hot. I really want to try this fry though. Wonderfully done guys. The taste of the garlic is super yummy, and it's completely garlic coated fries with homemade sauce. Try this non-greasy, perfectly garlic coated fries. Best fries you can ever make. It's non-greasy, it's more healthy. And share with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. I will see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and bye for now. Wow bro. I can eat this whole thing in just maybe next 5 minutes. Yum.